Hi guys, today we're going to show you how to open the hood in Volvo XC40. Open the door and right here you will see this lever which you will need to pull. The secondary release lever is located approximately in this area. The easiest way to find it is you guys have to follow this arrow on the Volvo logo and it will point straight to this lever. Again, this is our lever which we have to push like this, push up, and below you will see two latches, one on the right side and one on the left side, and we have two corresponding brackets which go inside the latches. The hood is being held by two struts on each side. To close the hood, first you have to lower it all the way, and now remember we have two latches, one on this side and one on the other, so you have to press on both sides of the hood when you close it, and this way it will be properly closed. Thank you guys for watching, we'll see you in the next video.